Hello everyone, I am Anitesh. I have been doing gardening for a very long time. It has been my hobby for a very long time. But recently I have started making videos. This in fact is going to be my first video. I'll be putting this up on the YouTube channel which we have made and also on the website which I have registered. It's leafstory.in. Okay, so to begin with, my end goal is basically to repot these cacti and succulents. But even before I do that, I want to talk about different planting mediums I'm going to use for this purpose. Some of them are not something which I'm going to use, but even then I'll be talking about these so that you get an idea about how these things work. Okay, so the first planting medium is perlite, then we have vermiculite, then we have coco peat, we have stone chips, we have common black soil, and we also have some sand. Okay, and along with that we also have some neem powder. Okay, so all these are going to help us prepare our soil which we are going to use to plant these cacti and succulents. I'll talk about these planting mediums one by one, and then in another video I'll show you how to plant these cactus and succulents. Okay, so the first medium I'm going to talk about is basically perlite. Now perlite is a naturally occurring substance. It is made from volcanic rocks. So when we commercially heat them at very high temperature, they pop up into these stones which are white. They are very light and they are also very weak. You see, they have very low density. If I press them, they break. Okay, so the density is very low. They are almost they have small pores, so they are very good for aeration and drainage of the soil. So perlite is a naturally occurring substance. Another substance which we are going to talk about is vermiculite. Now vermiculite is also a silicate rock. It is also commercially prepared by heating silicates. So this also is very good as a planting medium, but there is difference between perlite and basically the use case for perlite and vermiculite are different. Now the perlite is so light and there are so many pores here. It is a very good drainage material. So it will maintain very good drainage in the soil, and these are perfect for planting succulents and cacti. However, if you talk about vermiculite, these basically tend to hold water and they are very soft. If you touch, you feel very good. They are almost like sand, but the particles are large. So sand and these are all silicate rocks. 90% of our earth crust is made up of these silicate rocks. Now these tend to hold water. So the difference between these two is when you want to plant cacti and succulents which do not tend to they do not like moist soil, you would use perlite. And if you want to plant plants like say peace lily and all which tend to prefer moist soil, you will be using vermiculite. Okay, so these are the two common substances which we use. Vermiculite is actually cheaper compared to perlite. Perlite is a volcanic rock. It is not very abundant. It is a bit expensive, but not very expensive. I think you can get them for 300 to 400 rupees on Amazon. The third substance I have here is coco peat. Now coco peat is nothing but coconut husk. Okay, so these are prepared from the cell of the coconut. So when you buy them, they will come in the form of blocks. Now these blocks are very compressed on very high pressure, so they will be very small. When you add a small amount of water, they will expand. So a small amount of block will give you this much amount of coco peat, and coco peats are very cheap, actually very cheap. And the fourth thing which I am going to talk about are small stone chips. Now these small stone chips are also very useful. I generally put them at the bottom of the pot. So what happens is when you put them at the bottom, they do not let soil block the pores, and they will also help in maintaining the drainage. So I always add a small amount of stone chips at the bottom of the planting medium. Okay, and then obviously we have the common black soil which we get and the sand. So we will be mixing all these, and then with the help of that we will prepare our planting medium, and then we are going to plant our succulent and cacti into it. Okay, so this is all for this video. In the next video we will try to repot these succulents and cacti. Okay, and if you hate my video, please dislike it, but do subscribe to the channel. This is my first video I am going to put up on the channel. Thank you.